initial water level upon entry. Current water level. Water is still successfully draining. Water has been shut off at main curb cock to unit to entire property, sorry. And as soon as that occurred, water has instantly started draining. You can now see the sump lines. Water was at the top of that cap, as you can see by the water level behind. Water level has now retreated significantly. No issue with sewer. You can see no signs of backup in toilet, no signs of backup in tub, no signs of backup in sink, no signs of backup under lav.